In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the Wise platform effectively. Whether you're new to this financial tool or already have some experience using it, we'll make sure that by the end of this session, you'll feel comfortable with its interface and features. First things first, we need to open Wise. Once you've done that, you'll see two main options on your screen if you're using it for the first time. If you've never set up an account with Wise, you'll want to choose the Sign Up option. It's a straightforward process, and Wise will guide you through creating a new account with all the necessary steps. However, if you already have an account, just click on Log In. Here, you have some choices on how to access your account. You can log in using your email and password, which is the most common method. Alternatively, Wise offers a handy feature that allows you to log in through your email provider for extra convenience. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate logging in using Google. Select Google and choose your registered email from the list that pops up. It's a seamless way to access your account without having to remember yet another password. Once you're logged into Wise, you'll be swiftly redirected to your dashboard. This is your main hub for all things Wise, a place to manage your finances and initiate various transactions. Now, let's focus on the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. By clicking this, you're presented with options to customize your personal information. This could be anything from updating your name or email address to adding other personal details. Wise ensures these processes are intuitive, making it simple to maintain up-to-date information about yourself. At this stage, you have a great opportunity to explore Wise's various features. From the dashboard, you can take a look around and familiarize yourself with the options available to you. Whether it's converting currencies, sending payments, or managing your account settings, Wise offers a broad array of functionalities designed to cater to various financial needs. Remember, every feature on Wise is designed with user-friendliness and efficiency in mind. So feel free to click around and discover what this robust platform has to offer. Don't hesitate to get acquainted with its tools and settings to get the most out of your experience. As you can see, Wise is a powerful tool for managing your finances, and navigating it is straightforward once you know where to look and what to do. Whether you're keeping track of your spending or transferring funds around the globe, this platform provides you with everything you need to handle your money smartly and securely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Wise.